Since one child died of gastroenteritis in Barometer Region 1, the figure has increased to 81. But Minister of Public Health George Norton told Gina that residents are not taking the treatment which is geared to save them from further crisis.
Population is not cooperating. They don't want to use the bleach in the water or the tablets that we're using in the water because they said it tastes bad. Secondly, they're not carrying through with the medications we're giving them to use, and they are not all attending to the clinics, even though the clinics are available for them. So we're running into some difficulties there.
Minister within the Ministry of Public Health, Dr. Karen Cummins, gave Headline News an update on the situation.
Persons with gastrointestinal, including diarrhea and vomiting, and we had a few with dysentery, which is blood in the stool. What we have found is the contamination of the water with some fecal coliforms. We have done water sampling, we have treated the water with chlorine, and we are doing public health education. All right? We're going to give it some time when we treat it, and then we're going to follow up and retreat it again after treatment, so to speak.
The outbreak, which was first reported on December 3rd, was monitored but got out of hand when 60 persons came down with the infection. The ministry, in early January, sent in a team to deal with the situation that would help the community follow the medical guidelines. The team was made up of one doctor, a medic, and an environmental health officer. Dr. Cummins further stated that the ministry has gastroenteritis outbreak under control, but residents are still resisting the medication. Another medical team, according to Dr. Cummins, has been dispatched to the area.
Okay. Is the medical center up there stocked with medications and so on?
Yes, this would have been stocked, yes. We have adequate drugs. I've spoken to them personally with the doctor in charge of the region, and he has told them we have sent in a team, or even I think yesterday as well. So we're on the ball.
All right, Minister,
and we have nurses who are going into the villages, because they're living sparse, as far as this is, not clustered like in the region 4. So the nurses will take some time to go into the different villages.
In 2013, there was an outbreak in the Northwest District area where a total of 529 residents from Port Kaituma and surrounding communities were infected, most of whom were children. There were 3 reported deaths. Prior to that, there was an outbreak in 2009 and 6 residents died. Gastroenteritis is an intestinal infection marked by watery diarrhea, abdominal cramps, nausea or vomiting, and sometimes fever. The most common way to develop gastroenteritis, often called stomach flu, is through contact with an infected person or by ingesting contaminated food or water. Andrew Weeks reporting for Safe TV2 Headline News.